Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a resume in MS Word or Microsoft Word. And right now, I'm currently in this website called createmicrosoft.com, and this should be the landing page you're seeing also on your end. Now, before I get started on the matter, I just want to let you know that if you're watching this on your iOS or any Apple devices such as MacBook, even your tablet or even your mobile devices rather, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same across all devices. Now that we got that out of the way, please take note on the steps that I'm about to give you. So I want you to go here first. Again, it's going to be this website. And the best part about this process, it's 100% free. Perfect, right? So once you're here, you'll see here on the trending searches resume. So once you click on this one, you'll also have all of these choices. So it will help us to not start from scratch, because personally, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a very challenging endeavor, it's a very challenging task to start from scratch. So from here, we have a template that we can copy, and right now you can just choose which one speaks to you, which one do you like. And that being said, you can even filter this a little bit further. For example, you can click the category right there, you can choose flowers, etc., resumes right there, make sure you're in resumes. And then filter it from color. For example, you want a hint of green, select green right there, and personally green is a very good color. Now, for example, you want a hint of red, just simply click on red right there and you let your resume stand out. Now, for example, let me just go back. Now, I just went back here because there's one resume that speaks a lot to me. It's gonna be this guy right here, the very first one. I like the style, so once I'm here, I'm just gonna click on this one. So you have two choices. You can customize in Word in the internet or the browser, or if you have the Word application downloaded, installed on your PC or devices, click this one. This is the one that I suggest the most. You can have all of your features available to you rather than the one on the web. So simply click on download and it will go directly on your PC. Not a problem. And once you have that, simply click the open file button over here so you can open it on your Word document. Now, before I get started, almost forgot here, you can even still get the templates on your Word document. For example, if you click on File, click on New, you'll see these templates and simply type in resume right here and you'll have these results. As you can see, there's the first one we got earlier, the very good one for me. However, we still have a lot. We have photo resume, impact resume, we have geometric resume. There are a lot of choices here, so please use it wisely. And with this one, the first thing I want you to do is basically change the photo, because that is not you, that is not me. It's pretty weird submitting this to our employer and seeing it's not another guy and it's not you, right? So to change this one, simply right click or make sure it's highlighted. And once you're here, go to picture format, as so. Click on change picture right there. Once you change picture, you have choices from this photo, from stock images, from normalized sources, or from icons. This will be social media. So click on this device for this PC and upload any photo that you love. Now, once uploaded, you'll see it's a bit stretched, right? It's like wider than usual. You know your face yourself, that's not normal for you. So for some reason, it's a bit wider. Simply make sure you highlight it. Click on picture format, you're here, and look for this option that says crop. Now, I don't want you to click on the crop on the top one. I want you to click on the drop down icon. Those are two different options, okay? So simply click on crop and you'll see this fill option. Simply click on it and you can now adjust how it looks like. It's not stretched anymore. It's perfectly good now. And there you go. We just fixed our photo. We installed it on our resume. Now, next thing I want you to do right now is basically use AI. You heard me right, we're gonna use AI to further help us with our resume. So for example, this is gonna be our profile. We don't want this here, so we can just delete it or replace it with AI. So we're gonna use a specific AI called Bing Chat. And basically once you're here, this is also 100% free. And you have a choice for creative, modern, and precise. So since this is a resume, I'm gonna with precise right there. And with this one, I'm just gonna ask this Bing AI to write me a summary. For example, can you help me write a summary for my resume? And then here is what I do. So basically, tell Bing chat what you do so he or it can help you build a summary. For example, I am a former supervisor for 2 years. I am a former data analyst. I work as a agent also. So basically there's just samples. Click submit, and we're gonna wait for now to Bing to respond. The only thing about this one is that make sure you ask precisely. The more precise you have, the more precise a quality the answer would be. So as you can see right there, this is gonna be your summary. So let me just copy it. Basically click on copy, go back to Word, and simply replace it. As you can see right there, if I zoom in a little bit, this is gonna be our new summary. However, please take note that AI are not 100% accurate, or not 100% what do you call this one? Truthfully. Sometimes they overreact or they over type something. For example, you said your supervisor, they can say your manager. So I suggest double check always. So let me just read this one. So highly motivated professional with a diverse background in supervision, data analyst, and customer service. I think this is pretty much realistic. So I won't change a thing here. But if you found something or you found something that's not actually the truth there, so simply change it, right? And that being said, once you're done with this one, we're just gonna customize our resume. So with this one, simply type in your name. For example, I'm gonna type in my name, McCoy Sample, and then job title there. Your current job title, for example, let's just say supervisor. Your education would be right here, right? So the school name first. So for example, school name, let's just say Lovesu. That's gonna be my university before. Dates from, just input the year here. Usually the most important part and the most precise way is year to year. For example, you started on 2016 and you graduated last 2 years of 2021. It doesn't really need it if you put a month date. That's not really good enough. So it's much more professional looking if you're just gonna use year to year. Now with this one, it's okay to brag about your GPA awards. That's what I love about Microsoft. It's telling you what to write. So basically, let's just type here, and we're gonna use a bullet point now. To utilize a bullet point, simply click on that one, and you'll have a bullet. And with this, for example, that was right. Let's just say I have a GPA of, let's just say 2.5. How can I improve this bullet point for a resume? So that being said, I only asked for a bullet point. Okay, maybe let's fix this one. Click on enter. Now I just specifically fixed the format there so Bing won't have a hard time recognizing it. And there's gonna be the revised version. Maintain a consistent GPA of 2.5 or something. So this version emphasizes your consistency and dedication. And that being said, let me just copy this one. Go back now to the Word document and paste it from here. So before I have a GPA of 2.5. Now we're gonna paste this new one. Give back the word, or rather give back the bullet point, and there you go. We have a maintained consistent GPA of 2.5 throughout the academic year, demonstrating persistence and dedication to learning. This is much better than the one before, which is this one, right? It's a very boring or not really precise or not really fun to read idea there. So this is gonna be a good one. So please do so along the other information here. You can use Bing or AI, even ChatGPT if you have access, right? Even the free version. It's not a problem if what kind of AI you want. The idea here is that I want to tell you you can use AI to fully utilize your resume. So for example, we're done here, we're satisfied. Simply save it as a PDF. That's the best format you can save your resume. So to save a PDF, simply click on File, click on Export, and then save as PDF or create as PDF right there, and wait for it to save up. So I'm gonna just click on Desktop so we can find it properly. Resume right there, click on Publish. And now we can open it on each viewer. For example, Microsoft Edge, I have Wondershare PDF element here, or Adobe. For discussion purposes, I'm gonna go Adobe, or rather I'm gonna go with Wondershare. Click on OK. And we're gonna view it now inside Wondershare. And this is gonna be our new resume. It's gonna be on PDF format, the best format there is. And perfectly, beautifully, we just made a resume using AI inside MS Word. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.